If you need to titrate or adjust your infusion setting on the Nimbus PainPRO post-op pain pump, here are the steps to take. While the pump is running, press the gray Info button. Patient Titrate is highlighted on the display. Press the green OK button. The PIB dose volume setting is highlighted. Press the OK button again. Use the up and down arrows to change the highlighted number. As you can see, pressing OK confirms the number and moves you from left to right to the next number field. If you like the number you see on the screen, press OK to confirm it. Once confirmed, the pump displays PIB volume and your adjusted number. Here is an important last step. Once your adjusted PIB volume numbers look correct on the screen, press the yellow button to save your adjustments and activate the new setting. When you do that, you'll hear 2 beeps from the pump, confirming that it has saved your titration. If you want to confirm that you have correctly adjusted the settings, while the pump is running, press the gray Info button. Press the down arrow to highlight Review RX, then press the green OK button. Press the down arrow to scroll through the pump settings until you see PIB volume. Confirm that the setting there is what you wanted. If it's correct, then you can press the gray Info button twice to get back out to the main display screen. If the PIB volume is not correct, press the gray Info button 1 time to go back up 1 screen. Use the up arrow to highlight the Patient Titrate function. Press the green OK button to step through the titration process again and ensure that your last action is to press the yellow button to save your adjustment.